Good. So that's what I'm seeing the common mistakes of you all and trying to rectify those today. When you are doing correct in front of me, what happened to you all during the test? Alhamdulillah, you all scored well. But the thing is, why do you get confused in small things? See, Judy, 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Take the sign of the bigger value. 6 is plus. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Next, last year mistake was, yeah. Again, if I ask you 4 minus 6x, tell me the equivalent expression. Flip.
Minus 6.
See? See,
X,
what did I say?
4.
Yes. You know what did you choose there? You choose 6x minus 4. I think because of options, when you see so many options, you all get confused. I feel that.
Yeah.
When you see same options with so many plus and minus, you all get confused. Is it?
Yeah, sometimes.
Anyways, Miral, even your mistakes were very common here. Next, I'll ask Miral about it. Wait a minute. Are you there, Miral? Hello, Miral? Anyways, leave it. Dana.
Yes.
Yes. You did good, mashallah. Yani the way I expected, you did more than that. Very good, mashallah. Let me just discuss your mistakes today. Yeah. Same thing. Equivalent ratio. Same questions here. Same like Judy. You did mistakes. Same exactly. There's one more question you did wrong. It's 3D minus 4. 3D minus 4. 1 minute. 3D minus 4. This one. Try to do it, Dana. If 3D minus 4, D equal 1.5. See now, Zishan will do with this, correct? But there she will not do. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed
Yes, miss.
Yes, tell me, what are we supposed to do here?
First thing you're going to take 3D 1.5.
Minus
then
4.
you're going to multiply.
Yes, multiply and say me.
Minus 4. Then multiply, it will be 55.
Huh?
55?
4.5 minus 4. Now say me the answer.
4.5 minus 1, 4. I mean 40. 14.
Tell me, 4.5 minus 4. Who's going to say me this answer? Dishan, that's wrong. 4.5 minus 4. Are you all using the calculators?
0.5.
Who told me this answer?
0.5. 0.5. Dana.
Did you see where you all went wrong?
Yes.
Simple questions, girls. Anyways, mathematics is like that, not like science. One number here and there it goes, or one sign here and there it goes. Everything goes wrong and you get finally a 0. Anyways, so I wanted to continue with algebra, but I see your class girls are not here, but let me revise. Let me start with it. So girls, how? So girls, this question, when I divide 10 over 5, I get 2. When I divide 15 over 5, I get 3. And m is there, I need to write m. When I divide 20 over 5, I get
4.
So this is how I simplify. Did you understand till here? Jishan? Dana?
Yes, miss.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Now, after this, tell me what should I do? What did I teach you? I told you when you see a bracket, first you'll multiply the first one, and then you'll multiply the second one, and then you'll multiply the third one. Try to open it. Tell me, Zishan, when I open the first with the first, what do I get? Multiply. When you see the brackets, multiply and tell me.
You multiply -2
With 2.
and
So I get -4. Then
get -4. -4 plus 3.
plus. Okay. Now the first multiplication is over. What is the next thing?
Plus
Multiply with the second.
-4. Miss 3m.
No, Zishan. I told you. See, listen, Zishan. You multiply. I multiplied 2 and 2, right? I'll show you with the spotlight. I multiplied these two numbers, 2 and 2. Now I'll multiply this and the second number. Then I'll multiply this with the third number.
Okay.
Tell me.
It will be yeah, you will put then plus 4.
4. Why 4?
Is the 4 of in the brackets.
Still not, you did not understand. See, Zishan. I multiply 2 and 2, right?
Not understand the whole thing.
I multiply 2 and 2. This is, what did you get? You got 4. Now I'll multiply 2 and 3. The second number. The 2 with the second number. So what do I get? 2 and 3?
5.
Multiply, not add.
10.
2 times 3, what is it?
2 times 3 is 2, 4, 6.
6. I get -6. Why -6? Because here is a minus sign.
Okay.
I write here -4, -4, -6. Now what is left? I did with the second number. Now go with the third number. Tell me with the third number.
Then it's -4.
What will I write here? -4?
Yes.
Yeah. Dana, what will I write here? You cannot understand. Zishan.
Yes.
Right? This is the number. I want to multiply the number with the first. I got 4. Then again, this
Yes.
the second. I got 6. 6m. 6m.
Then you're going to multiply 2 times 4.
Yes, I will multiply 2
Okay.
times 4. I will get
It's 8.
8. I will get 8. Okay.
Okay, I understood.
Minus and minus, I will get plus sign.
Plus.
Plus 8. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Right here and there. Now you understood something?
Yes.
Others? Others here. Judy and Dana, did you get it or no?
Yes, I got it.
Dana?
I did not get it. It's so hard.
Dana, you do this with me. Leave question 4, see question 5. See question 5. Now, what did I say you? The first with the first one. X and 4, I will get 4x. X multiplied by 4, Dana. What is it? 4x. 5 multiplied by x, 5x. 10 multiplied by x, 10x. 100 multiplied by x, 100x. Understood?
Yes.
Now what is it? Next, I'll multiply x with the other number. What is the other number? That is 3.4 y, and then you'll write x. Like seagulls. I'll give you this one. 3x multiply by z. What is the answer? My answer is 3xz. I cannot add. Can you add, girls? When I come to addition, I cannot add because the answer is same, 3x plus z, because they are no same family. They are not having same family. But when I say to multiply, that is 3x. If I say multiply, yes, you can multiply. 3xz. Did you see the difference? Did you see the difference, girls? Now
Yes.
x in the bracket, I have 3.4y. Bracket means you will multiply. I'll just write 3.4. I'll write the number and then I'll write x and y. This is my answer. Understood? Zishan.
No.
Okay, listen.
Yes, miss.
When you see the multiplication, just write the number and multiply the numbers and write the letters. Like example, if I ask you 4x multiply by 5y, what is the answer? Dana, try this. Multiply the number and write the letters. That's it. Try this.
4x.
4 multiply 5, what is it? For that, you need to think 4 multiply by 5.
20. 20.
20. What are the letters? X and Y. This is your answer. Same way. They wrote 3.4 and they wrote X and Y.
Yeah, but I understood, but like how there is 2 letters in one number.
It can be. This is algebra. This is algebra. There can be even 3 letters. If I give you 4m multiply by 3n multiply by 2z or 2p. What is your answer? Tell me the answer. First, take the numbers. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. I write the numbers. First, I multiply. Then I write m, n, and p. This is of algebra.
I now understand.
But same thing. If you have 4m plus 3n plus 2p. Tell me all. Can you all do this, girls? Can you add or subtract different families?
Yes.
Can you write 9, m, and p? No, you cannot. This is wrong. Why? Because in addition and subtraction, you see the same family. But in multiplication, you don't see the same family. Did you get it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Now, you again have a tough question. See here. 2 times 1 multiply by 10. Girls, if you're very weak in mathematics, better you do with 1 by 1. See, now what is my thing? I will choose first the first number with the first number. Try to circle it. I will choose the first number with the first number. I'll multiply them. What do I get? I get minus 2 by 10. I get minus 2 by 10. Now, the first is over. When the first is over, I go with the second number. Okay, this one was over, right? Now with the second number. That is minus 2 over 10 multiply by minus 2x. So I get minus 4x over 10. I get minus 4x over 10. And then I do the third number. What is my third number? I guess my third number is minus 2 over 10 multiplied by 2. So I have minus 4 over 10. X is different family. I have to leave x and I have to add the first and the last one. Again, this is tough for you all girls, but I do the, see if there's some other question here for you all. Because this I'm going to do in the class. This is for the coming lessons. Right now, I'm just focusing more on concept that you must know that while multiplying, you can take any family. But while adding or subtracting, you have to take different families. Dana?
Yes.
See question 11. Very simple again. 6 multiply 6y. What do you get? You get 6y. 6 multiplies x. What do you get? 6. That's the answer. Here. Zishan, question number 14.
Yes, miss.
Yes. How will you do? 8 multiply y? 6. 48x. The first two. Then 8 multiplied by 4, I'll get 32. This is the answer.
32.
Did you get it? How did I?
Okay.
The first
Yes.
number, first number. The first number,
yes.
Second number. Miral? Not here still? She just logged in and she went away or she slept. I don't know.
Yes, I'm here.
Really? Because I was calling you a lot before. You did not reply.
I didn't hear you.
Did your test well? Alhamdulillah. Do you understand what I'm teaching now, Miral? Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, anyways. That's it for today. Continue with algebra. We don't have to do, inshallah, daily. We are going to just do the revision for algebra so that you all become perfect with it. Thank you so much, girls. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye.